Today, you'll practice 10 simple, real-life English conversations that people actually use every day. Stay until the end to review useful vocabulary and phrases, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. At the post office. Hi, I need to send this package to another city.
Sure. Is it a letter or a package?
It's a small package with some clothes inside.
Okay. Would you like standard shipping or express shipping?
What is the difference between them?
Standard shipping takes 5 to 7 days. Express shipping takes 2 days.
I think standard shipping is fine.
No problem. Please place the package on the scale.
Here you go.
The total cost is $12.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Here is your receipt and tracking number.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
At the bank?
Hello, I'd like to open a bank account.
Of course. Is this your first account with us?
Yes, it is.
I'll need to see your ID, please.
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Do you want a checking account or a savings account?
I think a checking account is better for daily use.
That makes sense. There is no monthly fee for this account.
That sounds good.
Please fill out this form with your information.
Okay, I'll do that now.
Take your time. Let me know if you have any questions.
I'm done.
Great. Your account will be ready today.
Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
At the library.
Hi, can I get a library card?
Yes, you can. Do you live in this city?
Yes, I do.
I'll need a photo ID and proof of address.
I have my driver's license with me.
That works. Please fill out this short form.
How long does it take to get the card?
Just a few minutes.
Great.
Here is your library card.
Thank you. How many books can I borrow?
You can borrow up to 5 books at a time.
And how long can I keep them?
You can keep them for 3 weeks.
Perfect. Thanks for explaining.
Enjoy your reading. At the airport check-in.
Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight.
Sure. May I see your passport and ticket?
Here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay,
Your bag is within the weight limit.
that's good.
Here is your boarding pass.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 6:30 p.m.
Thank you for the information.
Have a pleasant flight. At a clothing store.
Hi, I'm looking for a jacket.
Sure. What size are you looking for?
Medium.
And what color do you prefer?
Maybe blue or black.
This jacket is very popular.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there.
It fits well, but do you have it in blue?
Yes, let me check.
Thank you.
Here you go.
I like this one. I'll take it.
Great choice.
At the doctor's office. Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Lee.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Anna Chen.
Please have a seat. The doctor will see you shortly.
Thank you.
The doctor is running a little late today.
That's okay. I can wait.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
At the supermarket. Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 5 near the back.
Thank you.
No problem.
Do you have almond milk?
Yes, it's on the top shelf.
I see it now.
Let me know if you need help with anything else.
I will. Thanks again. At a coffee shop? Hi, I'd like a cup of coffee.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
A little milk, no sugar.
That will be $3.
Here you go.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
At the hotel front desk. Hello, I have a reservation.
May I have your name?
It's Lisa Kim.
Yes, I see your reservation here.
Great.
You're staying for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Here is your room key.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your stay.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, how do I get to the bus station?
Go straight and turn left at the next street.
Is it far from here?
No, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Before we finish, let's take a moment to review some useful vocabulary and phrases you just heard. Standard shipping. Standard shipping means regular delivery that is not the fastest option. Example: standard shipping usually takes 5 to 7 days. Tracking number. A tracking number is a number you use to follow your package. Example: here is your receipt and tracking number. Checking account. A checking account is a bank account for daily use. Example: I use my checking account for daily expenses. Borrow. Borrow means to take something for a while and return it later. Example: how many books can I borrow? Weight limit. Weight limit is the maximum weight allowed. Example: your bag is within the weight limit. Prefer. Prefer means to like one option more than another. Example: which color do you prefer? Fitting room. A fitting room is a small room where you try on clothes. Example: the fitting rooms are over there. I'll take it. I'll take it means you have decided to buy something. Example: I like this one. I'll take it. Running a little late. Running a little late means you are behind schedule. Example: the doctor is running a little late today. Excuse me. Excuse me is a polite way to get someone's attention or ask a question. Example: excuse me, where can I find the milk? Reservation. A reservation is when you book something ahead of time. Example: I have a reservation at the restaurant. How do I get to is a polite way to ask for directions. Example: how do I get to the train station? Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.